Hey everyone, we're out here at Lazy T Ranch today and we have a very special surprise for you. And we're cooking up for the cowboys that are coming down from the mountain moving the cattle right now. So I decided I wanted to do a couple tri-tip of my own and show off the family recipe. And so what I do is something that my grandfather and my dad have done and kind of taught me. It's super simple. We're starting off with none other than Lazy T premium beef, of course. Tri-tip's just a really awesome cut, especially if you're cooking for a lot of people. It cuts real nice, it's tender, and it's got a ton of flavor to it. A lot of people want to trim this off. I just leave it on. And so what I do is something that my grandfather and my dad have done and kind of taught me. And so it's a little bit of a family recipe. I've already mixed some up together here, but it's super simple. It's a beef base, and then we dilute it down with some Worcestershire sauce or wash your sister sauce, whatever you want to call it. Garlic, salt, little black pepper, and then minced onion, and whatever else you feel you would enjoy in it. Really, that's how easy it is. And there's no measurements to it, it's just add as you need. And then it kind of comes out to a consistency like so. And all we do is just add it right to the top. And then we're gonna let this marinate for probably just over an hour, hour and a half. I've done it without marinating it, turns out just as good. And then we're gonna throw it immediately onto the smoker, about 225, and it should be done in about 2 hours. The nice thing about tri-tip is if it cooks a little faster than you anticipated and you need it to hold, just wrap it up real tight, put it in a Yeti cooler, and it'll hold for multiple hours. So if your cowboys are taking a little longer to get off the mountain, you've got time to spare. So now that we got that all evenly rubbed across, we're just gonna simply put them in some Ziploc bags. You know, in that beef base, it's got such a beef flavor to it. The 21-day dry age is gonna give you even more. And so all we're doing is enhancing it even more. That smoke that we're gonna use is mesquite wood. So it's minced garlic. Minced garlic is a staple in my family. Well, minced garlic, pepper, the beef base has got that real beef flavor. Minced onion just gives it a nice oniony flavor without making it too powdery or salty even. And then the Worcestershire sauce is really just to break down that beef base so you're not using so much. So it's not so much concentrate on the beef itself. But really you don't need much, as you can see. Don't be afraid to put a little more than you would think, but don't overdo it because you can actually oversalt the meat. Okay, and now that those are all marinating, we'll leave them for, like I said, about an hour and a half. And we'll put them on that smoker about 225, 2 hours. We're gonna slice it against the grain. Stay tuned, I'm gonna show you all those steps. It's gonna be a great time, so stick around.